Hello student, how are you? Hope you're doing well today. I'm your teacher in science. I am teacher May. Before we start in our lesson about the roots and the stem, let's review our last topic about plants. And what are the four needs of the plants? Again, what are the four needs of the plant? First need sunlight, air, water, soil. Again, the four needs of the plant we have sunlight. Very good. This one is air. Next we have water and soil. These are the four important needs of the plant in order to live and to grow. Because without one or only one without sunlight, the plants will die. Okay, next. There are five parts of a plant. First, we have very good flower. Again, flower. Next, stem. Stem. Leaves. Leaves. Seeds. Seeds. And lastly, we have roots. Roots. Okay, there are five important or the parts of the plant: stem, flower, leaves, seeds, and roots. Okay, let's proceed in our topic. The roots and the stem. Okay, this is the roots. And this is the stem. This called stem to the plant. And the stem of the tree they called trunk. Again, trunk. Very good. Okay, look at in this picture. And the roots are in the soil. The roots are in the soil here. And also the roots help the plant to stand. This one. Because without the roots, the plant cannot stand. And also the roots take water from the soil to the stem. These are in the soil, right? The roots is in the soil. So inside the soil they have water. And the help of the roots take water from the soil to the stem. Go up from the soil to the stem to the help of roots. Okay, next. This one. This one they have roots and water also here. And this is the stem. The stem of the plant, but if in the tree they called trunk, and also these are the two leaves. The stem takes the water to the leaves. Again, the stem takes the water to the leaves. This one. This one from water here to the stem go up to the leaves. Very good. And the stem is above the soil. Here. You look this one. The stem above the soil. The stem of a tree is called the trunk. Very good. This one is trunk. Next, there are different kinds of roots. Some roots are very small. Again, Some roots are very small, like this one. The roots are so small. Next, some roots are very big. Some roots are very big. This one, look at this picture. The roots are very big. Next, some plants have a few roots. Some plants have a few roots. Few means it's not too much or so not many. Like this one. This one is carrots and the roots of the carrot is so few. And some plants have many roots. Like this one. There's so many. Right? Okay, very good. There are different kind of stems. Some plants have thick stem. Thick stem is a very big stem. Thick. Again, some plants have thick stem. And some plants have thin stems. Some plants have thin stems. Like this. Okay, very good. Next, we have some plants have one stem. Like this one is only one stem. And some plants have many stems. Some plants have many stems. This one, two, three, four stems. Okay, let's review. There are four different kinds of roots, right? So, number one, we have some roots are very small. Number two, some roots are very big. Number three, some plants have a few roots. And lastly, we have number four, some plants have a many roots. And look at this picture. This is the water in the soil, right? And the root is in the soil. The roots take the water from the soil to the stem. And also there are four different kinds of stems. Number one, we have some plants have thick stems. Again, some plants have thick stems. Number two, some plants have thin stems. Some plants have thin stems. Number three, some plants have one stem. Some plants have one stem. And lastly, we have number four, some plants have many stems. Look at these pictures or picture. And the water from the stem takes or get from the soil to the leaves. Water from the stem takes to the leaves. Okay, we have an activity. Answer the question number one. How do roots help the plant? How do roots help the plant? A. Roots help the plant to stand because without roots the plant cannot stand. Okay. B. Take water from the soil to stem. Again, the roots help the plant to take water from the soil to stem. And number 2, we have how does the stem help the plant? How does the stem help the plant? Okay. The stem takes the water to the leaves. The stem takes the water to the leaves. Okay, you have an assignment. Draw and color. Number 1, we have draw a plant with many big roots. Again, draw a plant with many big roots. You draw here and put color. And number 2, draw a plant with a thin stem and many roots. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day. That's all for today.